going to take a bite of it because I'm super hungry. Yummy. B. B for ball. Ball. It's ball. Yeah, I love the ball. Woo. C. C for candy. Candy. Fruities. They're yummy. D. D for dance. The dance. Some hats and glasses. Nice. It looks perfect. E for egg. Egg. Wow, so many E's for egg. F. The letter F. F for flamingo. Flamingo. What is your name? My name's Flamingo. Super cute. You're just so cute. G. G for gift. Gift. Let's keep this present down. Let me see what's inside. This is a beautiful gift. And hedge. H for heart. 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 This is a heart. Look, a heart. I. Let's get the letter I. I for ice cream. Yummy ice cream. Let me open it and eat it. Okay. Wonder which flavor it is. J. J for jingle bells. Jingle bells. And a ball. Yes, it's going. I'm like jingle bells, jingle all the way. Yeah. K for ketchup. Ketchup. A ketchup bottle. K for ketchup. Ketchup. L. O for llama. Llama. L is llama. Llama. Cute little llama I have. Oh, it's so cute. N. For mermaid. Mermaid. A mermaid from my life. M for mermaid. Mermaid. is orange. Orange. Oh, hello. Orange. O for orange. Orange. P. Wow, 2 puppets. Some fun. Do. Let's have some fun together. Let's have fun together. We will have fun. Let's have some fun. Yeah. Q for queen. Queen. A queen crown. Let's get a queen. I'm gonna be like a queen. R for rainbow. Rainbow. Wow, rainbow lights. Rainbow lights. S for sunglasses. Sunglasses. Wow, some nice sunglasses. Beautiful. I think they look good on me. Nice. Let me do nice style. T. T for tent. Tent. T for tent. Tent. U for umbrella. Umbrella. Whoa, a big umbrella. Let's rain, go away. Come again another day. Moksha wants to play. Rain, go away. V. V for vegetable. Vegetables. W. W for wand. Wand. X. X for xylophone. Y for yogurt. Yogurt. Yogurt is super delicious. Z for zero. Zero. Z for zero. Zero. Yay! We finished all the letters. We have learned all the ABCs. Friends, if you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye guys.